is space and why is it so important? To find out more, I've come to Cape Canaveral, which is meant to be almost as good as the Notting Hill Canaveral, even though it's got less brothers. Wicked. I is here with Rick Searforth. Him is a NASA astronaut, went on the space shuttle a few times and was actually the commander of the space shuttle. He is gonna tell us about space because it ain't only the Earth that is out there, there's also something outside it called space, innit?
Absolutely, Ali.
So what's the longest you've been in space?
My longest space mission was my last one, and it was 16 days on board the space shuttle.
16 days? Mm-hmm. How did you hold your breath for that long?
You don't need to hold your breath in the space shuttle because it's a pressurized cabin, just like an airplane on an airliner.
What is a planet?
A planet is, well, we live on a planet. Earth is a planet. It's round. It's pretty large, but it's small compared to a star. Like the sun is a star, and you could take 1,000,000 Earths. 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside the sun. That's how big it is.
What, the sun is bigger than the Earth?
Oh yes, much bigger. Star, but it's just so
It's
far
about-
away. Well, of course, it's so far away.
So the sun ain't that small?
No, it's huge, really. It's just so far away.
It's much bigger than that.
Yes.
What about drinking?
Mm-hmm.
Did it feel strange drinking your own wee?
I'm not sure.
Your own...
Oh, urine. No, we don't do that actually in the space shuttle.
Because however good it is, it can never taste like a real apple tango or whatever.
Well, I don't know. I've never tried it.
No, I've tried it once, but it don't. It's rubbish. It's a waste of time. How did you get on with the other drivers?
We got on great with our crew. I had just a great crew.
What was the most annoying thing that one of the other drivers did?
Oh.
Did any of them go did for like all the whole time?
No one did any of that. That would be irritating after that.
What would you do if somebody did go no?
Well, I would,
For the whole
as
time.
the boss man and commander, I would pull them aside, just that person and me, and we would talk and say, I know you might like doing what you're doing, but it's bothering the rest of us, and it's hard for us to do our work.
Would you ever chuck him out?
Not outside of the space shuttle, because I mean it's not worth killing somebody. That would never happen.
Does you ever have any student from England who come here?
There's been one lady from England who flew on the Russian space station Mir.
Do you know my uncle Jamal?
No.
Jamal Kazir with a K? Because he went up on one of the things.
That name is not familiar.
Alright, well, you can talk a lot of nonsense, but
Okay.
if he ain't been on it, then he owes me a tenner. Alright, so let's talk about...
Do I get a share of that tenner?
Yeah, for real.
Okay.
Yeah, it will. You know, a couple of quid, but...